all, welcome to Rohit Vlogs. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to make yummy and tasty green chicken. To make green chicken, first heat oil in a pan and add sliced onions and cook till it turns transparent or golden brown color. This dish is very yummy and easy to make. To the cooked onions, add sliced tomatoes and cook them for a while. Once the onions and tomatoes are cooked, add spices like salt, coriander powder according to your taste. To this mixture, add clean chicken pieces and mix them really well and cook them on a low flame. In a mixer jar, add green chilies, coriander leaves, garlic. If required, you can also add mint leaves and grind them into a paste. Add the coriander chili paste to chicken and cook till the raw fragrance vanishes. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button for more such content your way. And tasty green chicken is ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and consider subscribing for more such videos. Thanks for watching.